Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipsticks. Now Sugar had launched these shades long back and there were only 10 shades launched. Now recently Sugar launched 7 new shades, and as soon as it was launched I quickly placed my order and I purchased 5 shades from them because I thought the first 2 would wash me out and would not suit my skin tone. Probably would be best for those who are between fair to medium skin tones. So I did not purchase them. I have 5 shades with me now and I'm going to review them in detail and swatch them as well. Now without any further ado, let's get started. I have 5 shades starting with 13 Plums and Roses, my favorite, and there are lots of people who are definitely in love with this one. 14 Caffeine Bandit, 15 Salmon Republic, 16 Pinking Park, 17 Grateful Red. I just cannot choose one shade from them because I loved every shade equally except the Plums and Roses, which I loved a little more extra. Now these shades retail for 699 rupees for 2 grams of product, and that would give you at least 25 to 30 applications, believe me, because you barely need a little bit for the perfect application of this product. Now about the packaging of this product, it comes in a cardboard box like this. There is a girl printed over in the box. That is the traditional Sugar packaging, and the collection name and the shade name is written here on the box, and the shade number is written on top of the box, and the manufacturing details: made in Taiwan, cruelty free product, the ingredients of the product, and marketed and imported by Mumbai, and everything, and all of these products are mentioned here on the box. The MRP says 699 rupees. Manufacturing date is December 2020 because these are very new shades and they were probably manufactured in December, and expiry date says November 2023, which gives it a shelf life of 3 years. Now let's see the inner packaging of this product. The inner packaging of this product is something like this. It's a classy matte finish packaging. It feels really velvety in finish, and you can see the collection name and shade name written on the lipstick here, but there is no manufacturing expiry date mentioned on the lipstick, so probably you have to keep it a track of the expiry date of these lipsticks. Now let me show you the inner packaging of this product. This has a cap, and this cap is not magnetic closure, but it's very stubborn. You have to press it a little and it won't open in your vanity at all. You have to literally pull it to open it. You have to twist in the bottom to get the product out, and the product is something like this. These lipsticks are basically in the crayon form and they are super duper smooth. Let me show you the texture of this product. I'm gonna swipe it here so you can see. The texture of this product is buttery smooth. It's very pigmented. It's just one swipe pigmentation. You really do not have to layer it up at all for getting that exact pigmentation or the required pigmentation on your lips. Is just one swipe and you're good to go. Now there are very less lipsticks in the market available which are very pigmented, very comfortable, very light on lips, and yet transfer proof, and this is one of them. This is a completely transfer proof, smudge proof lipstick. There is no transfer at all, and I was shocked when I had the shade Cranberries, which I genuinely loved a lot, and I had to get that shade. I have reviewed that one single shade in my channel already. If you want, you can go check out the swatch of this shade. The video must be somewhere on my channel itself. Now I love these shades. These have the similar kind of texture and formula and all, yet transfer proof, no transfer, smudge proof as well, does not smudge as such. These lipsticks are supremely hydrating and very light and comfortable on lips. Yet if you're a person who has dry chapped lips, you can use a little layer of lip balm underneath and then apply the product so that you do not feel the drying at all. But this is not at all drying. It's very comfortable. It's very long lasting, and these lipsticks have lasted on me for 8+ hours. Even if I want to keep these lipsticks intact for 12 hours, I am sure it's going to last. But if you're a lipstick eater person, then also it's going to last you at least 5 to 6 hours. The light, comfortable and the uniquely different texture of these lipsticks is because of the presence of jojoba oil in it, which makes it super duper comfortable, and also it does not accentuate the fine lines of your lips, which is, I think, a really good part. Even if you're eating oily food, or even if the lipstick fades away for some reason, it's not going to to fade away in pieces and bits and crumbling over here and there. It's just going to fade away very evenly. It does not leave a tint behind at all. I love these lipsticks and how they are pigmented and how comfortable they are, but there is one con that I would like to tell you guys, that these lipsticks are very smooth, probably because of the presence of jojoba oil. They are very smooth in texture, and you press it really hard on your lips, it might break in pieces a little bit, maybe from here and there somewhere. So when you apply this lipstick, please apply it very gently and very smoothly. You will get the pigmentation that you require, but apply it very smoothly and handle it with care, because this will break a little bit, which was kind of a bummer for me, but that's fine. When it's a sugar lipstick, then I have owned almost all of the collection from Sugar lipsticks and any product by Sugar Cosmetics, and yeah, so I would rate this one 4.9 on 5, except for the part where it breaks a little bit. I should have been gentle, or the lipstick should have been a little harder maybe. I've also done a wear test of this lipsticks for 8 hours, so you guys would understand how it would last on you and how it would perform. Again, I'm not a lipstick eater person, so my lipstick wear test is gonna be on the basis of that one. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the swatches of these lipsticks. So that's all for my short little review on Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Do not forget to hit the bell icon under this video so you do not miss any content from my channel, because I'm going to be coming up with lots of skincare, hair care, makeup videos that you don't want to miss. See you soon in my next video, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.